Welcome to UU Elevate Tool eLearning Module 3, Setting Up New Projects. And it's a very quick module. We'll just be going through adding and editing the project's information, the importance of making sure that the project start and end dates are accurate, and a little bit about the project value and what that includes. So starting off from your main home page, it's very simple to start a new project. Scroll down your list and hit add new project at the bottom. You'll be presented with a input form. Everything that's bold has to have information entered against it, otherwise the system won't let you save the project. So begin compiling the project's rudimentary information. Regarding the project start date, if this date's in the future from today, then Elevate won't be expecting any waste data to be entered against the project, and therefore it won't count against the SRM score or KPI performance measures. Similarly, once the project's completion date passes, the project drops from live projects down into completed projects, and again Elevate won't be expecting any waste data to be entered against it. So it's important, if the program shifts at all, that these dates are reviewed regularly to make sure that they accurately reflect the program. Project costs an important parameter because Elevate uses this to benchmark projects against one another. Basically, it calculates the tonnage of waste produced per £100,000 project value, so one project can be compared against another. The project cost should include the whole cost from beginning of design all the way through to the end of implementation. So enter the project cost to the nearest penny, like so. Similarly, Elevate uses the project use class to subdivide waste statistics, so we're not comparing sewerage projects with clean water projects. So select the project use class accordingly. The floor area of the project is divided into two sections. You can see here we've got floor area and total site area. The difference is the floor area of the project is the footprint of the finished installation. So that would be the area of any chambers or tanks, the diameter of any pipes, anything that's left behind permanently. Calculate to the nearest square meter and enter here. The total site area is the total temporary construction area needed to undertake the project. So this will obviously be a lot larger than the finished footprint of the project. Again, Elevate uses these two parameters to compare projects against one another. The Site Waste Management Plan format, always leave that as interactive online. We don't use any of the other options. This is a test project, so that would normally be unticked. So everything's complete on here. We can now hit save. And once your project's been saved, Elevate automatically takes you through to the project's Site Waste Management Plan homepage, and you can see that the project details that we've just entered appear here. Again, I draw your attention to making sure that the project start and end date is accurate, and if you ever need to change it, the grey edit button is over here. That's the end of module 3.